Hello guys, I bought this beautiful percussive instrument, fashionable Gecko Cajon from TEMU. Okay, so it comes with this nice beautiful black bag with their logo on it. You have a handle. Let me turn the light on. You have a handle to carry it in your hand, obviously, and there is a strap. So, oh, never mind. We have this two-way zipper, so it's made in China. Here are some instructions. So this is a low bongo, this is high bongo, and this is snare. 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters thick, and the width is 280 millimeters or 28 centimeters. It smells nice. It's brand new, obviously. So here is the snare. Right there is the snare, and here are two pieces of what they call it, non-slip mat. That's enough for today. I have to practice. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.